Yay! The Play-Doh!
Open it.
This Play-Doh guys include this one machine. Ayan. So meron siyang mga bala lang. Pwede mong palit-palitan. So meron tayong 1, 2, 3, and 4. Ayan. So apat yung bala natin. And meron din siyang kasama mga lalagyan. Ayan. So you have different Play-Doh colors. What do you want that? You have the orange, the blue, the yellow, green, the green. So choose one. Which one you want?
Ito. Green.
Green. Yay! You have green spaghetti. What color is that?
Green.
Green.
Ito, green. Other one. Other one, green.
There. Good job. Okay. Then you need to press this one. Okay, you press it. Yay! Good job.
I am mommy.
Wow!
I am mommy.
This knife, and let's cut this. Yay! Show them your green spaghetti knife.
I am green. I'm green.
Let's color green. Let's make yellow spaghetti. You want yellow spaghetti? Okay, let's go. Let's make spaghetti. Wow! Good job.
I am mommy.
Press. Wow! Good job! So how many do you have? Can you count them? Can you count them now?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yay!